Keeping your fleet in top shape is no small feat. That's why Fleetio has partnered with Geotab to bring you a seamless integration that makes fleet maintenance management easier and more effective. Fleets love Geotab for its advanced customizations, powerful analytics, and focused data security. But what if you could amplify all that value and apply it to your fleet maintenance process? Integrating Geotab with Fleetio means you get the best of both worlds. All your valuable telematics data from Geotab flows directly into Fleetio, where it powers smart maintenance workflows and asset replacement decisions. With this combination, you can use real-time vehicle data like odometer readings and fault codes to create a predictable vehicle maintenance strategy in Fleetio based on utilization, prioritization, and prior service history. Then, as maintenance issues are resolved, Fleetio sends that data back to Geotab so you know when vehicles are back in service. With real-time telematics data in Fleetio, you can keep an eye on vehicle health and predictively monitor performance. Spot issues early so you can fix them before they become major problems. Use your data to power automations like due soon service reminders. Build a solid maintenance schedule, know which assets are out of service, and keep your vehicles running better for longer. By syncing Geotab data with Fleetio, you get a real-time and complete view of your fleet's health and total cost of ownership, so you can make better decisions with less hassle. Discover how pairing Geotab with Fleetio can improve your fleet maintenance management process and lower the costs of operating your assets. Visit fleetio.com/integrations to learn more.